This journey begins here, in the canola fields plot, where skilled workers and modern farming techniques harvest.
Every bottle of canola oil begins its journey here, in fields where precision farming meets nature's rhythm.
Timing is critical. Harvest begins only when oil content reaches its peak. Each canola seed contains oil carefully developed through months of controlled growth. Harvest efficiency determines oil quality long before processing begins. Even at harvest, canola is cleaned and controlled. From field to factory, canola seeds are never idle. Transportation is part of the production process. Every kilometer is optimized to preserve canola seed integrity. This is where agricultural canola becomes industrial canola oil. The canola oil journey officially begins. Continuous motion defines modern canola processing. Pre-cleaning protects downstream machinery and preserves canola oil quality. Hidden safety systems operate non-stop. Accuracy begins before processing even starts. Conditioning prepares black canola seeds for efficient oil extraction. Heat and moisture are balanced with precision. Thermal energy prepares canola flakes for pressing. Automation keeps conditions exact. Nothing from the black canola seed is wasted. Every movement of canola oil is measured and controlled. Degumming removes compounds that affect clarity and stability.
Once separated from black canola seeds, the oil enters its refinement phase.
aroma is refined away, leaving neutral canola oil.
Empty bottles, ready to receive golden canola oil, move in perfect formation along the production line. Precision dispensing ensures every bottle receives the correct amount of oil.
Multiple filling heads work in perfect unison, keeping the process continuous.
Capped bottles continue down the line for careful handling.
If you enjoyed this inside look at how canola oil is made, subscribe to the channel for more factory videos like this.